Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here with us today. This is Easy English Talk with Thon, and I'm Thon. And as always, I'm here with my co-host, Danny. Danny, how are you today?
Hey Thon, I'm doing great today. Feeling good, feeling relaxed, and also a little bit hungry.
Hungry already? We just started.
Yes, talking about English makes me hungry.
That's a new one. I've never heard that before.
Maybe it's because I didn't eat breakfast.
Ah, now it makes sense. So today's topic might become Learn English and Find Food.
Yes, please. That sounds like the best lesson ever.
All right, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something simple, fun, and very useful. We're going to talk about things we like to do.
Yes, this is a great topic because you can use it in real life every single day.
Exactly. If you meet someone new, you can ask, "What do you like to do?"
And boom, conversation starts. Easy.
So, Danny, let's start with you. What do you like to do?
Good question. I like many things, but first, I like to eat.
Of course you do.
Yes, eating is very important. I like eating rice, I like eating noodles, I like eating everything.
Everything? Even spicy food?
Okay, not everything. I don't like very spicy food.
Ah, good. So now we have two sentences. I like eating. I don't like eating.
Yes, very useful. Simple English.
All right, my turn. I like to drink coffee every morning.
How many cups?
One, sometimes two, sometimes three.
3? That's not coffee. That's energy power.
Maybe that's why I talk too much.
Yes, confirmed.
Okay, let's teach something clearly. You can say, I like to drink coffee, or I enjoy drinking coffee.
Both are correct. Very easy.
Now let's make it stronger. I enjoy drinking coffee.
And even stronger, I love drinking coffee.
Yes, like Danny loves food.
Correct. 100% true.
Okay, let's tell a small story. One day, I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee. I sat down, relaxing, feeling good. Then, I forgot to pay.
What?
Yes, I walked out. Then the staff said, "Sir, your coffee."
Embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. So I ran back, paid quickly, and said, "Sorry, I like coffee, but I forget money."
That's not good English.
Yes, but it worked.
That's important. Communication first.
Exactly. Now, listeners, you don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate.
Yes, even simple sentences are powerful.
Now let's talk about hobbies. Danny, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch videos, especially funny videos.
Same here. I love funny videos.
Sometimes I laugh alone like crazy.
That's okay. I do that too.
One time, I was watching a funny video in public and I laughed very loudly. Everyone looked at me.
What did you do?
I pretended I was coughing.
Good save.
Yes, professional level.
All right, let's give more examples. You can say, I like to watch movies. I enjoy watching movies. I love watching movies.
And negative, I don't like watching horror movies.
Yes, horror movies are scary.
I watched one horror movie and I couldn't sleep for 2 days.
2 days?
Yes, every sound I was like, who's there?
Okay, now let's talk about friends. I love spending time with my friends.
Me too. Talking, laughing, eating, always eating.
Yes, always eating.
We can say, I love spending time with friends.
Or, I enjoy hanging out with friends.
Very natural English.
Now let's talk about weekends. What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to sleep a lot.
Same. Sleeping is my favorite hobby.
I enjoy sleeping. I love sleeping.
Professional sleeper.
Yes, full-time job.
Now let's help listeners practice. Repeat after us. I like to watch movies.
Pause.
I enjoy listening to music.
Pause.
I love spending time with friends.
Pause.
I don't like waking up early.
Oh yes, I really don't like that.
Same here. Morning is difficult.
Very difficult.
Okay, now a mini story. One morning, I tried to wake up early, 5 a.m.
Wow, impressive.
I woke up, looked at my phone, and said, "No, not today." Then I went back to sleep.
Best decision ever.
Yes, sometimes rest is important.
Very important.
All right, before we finish, let's give a simple challenge.
Yes, something easy.
Today, say 3 sentences in English.
About what you like.
Example, I like coffee.
I enjoy watching videos.
I love my friends.
Simple, but powerful.
Great job! You are improving every day.
Now it's your turn. Which phrase will you use today?
All right, that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep learning English
We'll see you next time.
on Easy English Talk with Thon.
Bye, everyone.
Please subscribe. Join Easy English Talk with Thon now.